What's up, YouTube? Well, last night was thunderstorm test. Today it's wind test at 50 miles per hour winds is what we're going through right now. It's pretty stable. I figured it would bend down or something, but it really hasn't gave on the poles. It's done really good, and as you can see, it is very windy out there. I took the rain flap off and put, all the windows down since all the rain is now finally gone. But, it's not really bending at all, which is awesome. So far so good. I started carrying some of the stuff out. I noticed there was a little bit more water than I expected, but nothing very big. I'm gonna seal this tent when I get some money to get some sealant set up at the house. But so far so good. I'm just sitting here nice and warm with my little heater going, watching the trees, hoping none of them fall on me. Just relaxing, laying in my bed. But anyway, all right, y'all. Well, so far so good on the little Temu tent. I'm enjoying it. All right.